In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to verify ID on Airbnb. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you, including Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, whatever browser you have. So of course, once you open that browser, go to this URL section and simply type bnb.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on this website. So the first thing that you would like to do here is just go to the top right corner, click on these three lines, then click on login to log in into your account if you have one. As you can see, you can log in with your phone number or with Facebook, Google, Apple, or even email. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on sign up instead of login. And here you'll have to, of course, enter a phone number, or you can continue again with a Facebook, Google, Apple, or email. So if you just sign in into your account, you'll find this, and you will have, of course, to read all the term of service and make sure to agree on them and click on continue. And here you are. Welcome to Airbnb, and you'll have your account here. Of course, you will have to add your phone number as one of the steps if you want, especially to host some places to rent. And if you don't want to do that, click at I will do it later. You can upload a photo, as you can see, as the step two, or if you don't, you can click at I'll do it later, and you will be good to go with your account. So as we said in the beginning of the tutorials, you would like to verify ID. So of course, you can verify ID in your account setting by submitting a photo of your government ID or your driving license or even passport. You can do this when setting up an account or when updating your account details or even when setting up a place to host on Airbnb. You can use your camera or a photo that is already that you have on your phone. You can upload it or take an instant photo and send it to them. Wait for them until they review it and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.